Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to customize your Google Chrome homepage. So first, open your Google Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now on the left-hand side, click on Appearance, which is between Performance and Search Engine. Here you can adjust various settings according to your preference. Likewise, go to the Search Engine option, and here choose your preferred search provider. You can also customize your unstarted settings. So make sure that the new tab page is selected for that. Now open a new tab, and in the bottom right corner, click on Customize Chrome. A menu will appear in the right-hand side of the screen. And from here, you can choose your desired color, theme, and other settings to personalize your Chrome experience. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.